You can now prep the next breakout room during your first breakout room. Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. So when you launch a breakout room within the Zoom platform, there is now a button where you can plan your next breakout room. So you could go ahead, especially if you're someone who likes to make it random, who wants to make sure that people in the room are meeting others. This is a great opportunity to, especially if you're by yourself doing solo facilitation, to utilize that time in the main room to set the next breakout room. Now, something to keep in mind. It's not going to hold on to all the parameters. So if you already have your breakout rooms preset to go 8 minutes with a 30-second callback, when you first click that button on recreate, it's not going to hold that information. You're still going to want to go to your options and then say how long you want that particular breakout room. I really do wish that it would hold the parameters of whatever the first breakout room is, because 9 times out of 10, if you have a system of breakout rooms, you tend to stay consistent on the timing. But just keep in mind, go to those options, select how long you want the next breakout room to be. And this is just a great new opportunity to be a little more productive while people are in their breakout rooms. So tell me what you think of this new update. I think it's a great one. And if you ever need assistance with your virtual facilitation, don't hesitate to reach out. Or if you have general questions about video marketing, schedule a complimentary strategy session.